Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to create a registration form in PHP. So let's get started. So let's go to getbootstrap.com for the design, and here you go to documentation and search forms. So here we are going to give form action equal to code.php and method equal to post. This post method is important for sending the data from the form. So we'll give the name attribute in our input tags, name equal to email, and here we'll give name equal to password. So in registration form we will take more details like the username and therefore contact number. So let us make that. Here we'll ask the username first, name, and you can remove all this, and here input type equal to text, name equal to name, and here it's email, here it's password, and here we need one more. We'll just take phone number of the user. So it's phone number, and input type text, let us keep, and name as phone. So we have the name tag here, name, email, phone, and password. Let us name our button as register button. So name equals to register btn, let us keep short form, and we'll change the text of the button to register. So once this button is pressed, it will go to code.php. So just copy the button name and go to code.php. Here we have the database connection. So I'll show you. Here it is database connection. So for this connection you have to give your host name as localhost, username will be root, and password will be null by default when you install your XAMPP server, and your database name whatever you have created. We have created a database called php tutsor here, and there is a table called users here. So we are going to insert the values in the user table now. So here we are just connecting the database, and if it is connected we are leaving it null. If it is not connected, it will show there was some problem. So once it is clicked, we'll go to code.php and write if is set $_ post of this button. What this statement means is, if this button is clicked, if this thing is set, so this is set function will check if there is something in this. When this button is clicked, it will enter inside this. So we'll just store all these things. $name equal to $_ post of name. $_ post gets the value from the form by this thing. This is the name attribute what we have given in that name. I'll just show you. See here, the name, this thing, the name of the tag, you have to put it inside here. So we have 4 fields. Let us paste it 4 times. So name, email, and we have taken phone, and last is password. So we have taken all this. Now we have to insert this. So to insert we have to write a query. So I am just creating a variable here called query and writing your query here. So insert into table name is users. You can put your own table name whatever you had created, and here you have to write your column names. So my column name is, first column name is name, email, phone, and password. So I'll write name, email, phone, password, and the values to be inserted in these columns are, we have to give it here in single quotes, comma, here we are giving dollar name. This first column will take the value of this first thing here, first variable. So how you have given your column names, according to that you have to give your variable names also. So inside here, dollar name, dollar email, and dollar phone, and the last one, dollar password. Yes. So once the query is written, now we have to write the function to run this query. So we'll create another variable, query underscore run, and write mysqli query function here, mysqli query. In this we have to give the connection of the database and with comma your query here. So our query is here, dollar query, and con we have given in this dbcon.php. Let's go there. See, here it is, our connection variable. So we have given the connection with the query and semicolon here. Now let us check if dollar query run. So this means if it is run successfully without any problem, echo inserted. Else, if there is some problem, it should echo this part, echo there was some problem. So now let us check if it is inserting or not. Go to your thing, reload, and yes guys, so we'll just design this form little bit. Go to your register.php and here column row, here justify content center, and check your output, it's here. Let's give a border to this. It's not so okay. For now let's leave the design and work on the coding part. So let us check if it is inserting. So name, let's give ram, email ram@gmail.com, phone number 1234567890, and password will keep 1234. So let us click register. Yes guys, so it's showing inserted. So let us check in our database, refresh this browse, and yes guys, you can see it has been inserted here successfully. So now instead of staying here back in code.php, let's redirect it to login page. So here is the code and code.php. When it is inserted, we will just put header location here, header function, in single quotes write location colon, and just don't forget to give the space in between. Without the space it will show error. Header location will give login.php, or for now let's give index.php. So once if this is done correctly, it will go to the login index page. So let us reload the page and again register a new person, Matthew, name as matt@gmail.com, phone number 90, password 456, register. So it is registered successfully. So you can go and check here. Yes guys, so it is registering here. So that's it in this video. We will make the login form and check how to log in the next video. So thank you guys for watching guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.